Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, I will explain you about fundamentals of robot technology. So let us start with the very first question. What exactly is a robot? An industrial robot is an automatically controlled, reprogrammable, multi-purpose manipulator programmable in three or more axes which can be either fixed in place or mobile for use in industrial automation application. This definition is given by International Standards Organization. Three terms are very important here: automatically controlled, reprogrammable, and multi-purpose manipulator. Let's understand these three terms one by one. Automatically controlled. A robot works on servo mechanism in which the driving signal is the difference between reference signal and feedback signal. The output signal is used as feedback signal and is compared with the reference signal to achieve the desired result. The second term is reprogrammable. As the name suggests, the robot can be programmed again and again depending on the type of the application. The third is multi-purpose manipulator. Manipulator is a very common term in robotics. We'll be using this term very frequently in the upcoming lectures. Manipulator is a machine used to control material without direct physical contact by the operator. Basic manipulator is shown in the diagram here. This combination or assembly of links is known as the arm or the robotic arm, which has two main joints named as shoulder joint and elbow joint. At the end of this, there is a third joint known as the wrist joint. We will study about these joints in detail later. Coming back to the definition, an industrial robot is an automatically controlled, reprogrammable, multi-purpose manipulator programmable in three or more axes. The programming of the robot can be done in the three or more than three axes, which can be either fixed. These axes can be fixed, or this robot can be fixed, or it can also be mobile for use in the industrial automation application. So now let us move to the next thing, that is automation and robotics. Most of the people think that these two terms are same, but there is a difference. So what is automation? Automation means using computer software, machines or other technology to carry out a task which would otherwise be done by a human worker. There are a lot of tasks in industries which are of repetitive nature and do not require full-time human involvement. Such tasks are automated by the use of automation, which can be mechanical or virtual. Example of mechanical automation can be seen in the food industries, and example of virtual automation can be the chatbots used on multiple websites like the e-commerce and etc. So now what is robotics? Robotics is generally the study of robots. Robotics is a very interesting field that requires involvement of experts from multiple fields like mechanical, electrical, electronics and computer science, of course. So what is the differentiating point between these? Robots are used to automate various tasks, but many types of automation have nothing to do with the physical robots. Like in the previous example of chatbots, chatbots are just the example of virtual automation. They have nothing to do with the physical robots. So that was all for this lecture. In the next lecture, we'll be studying about robot anatomy.